In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your files strictly for viewing only here in Google Sheets. So if you've shared this spreadsheet with a couple of people by using the copy link in your general access here with the share button, they have the power to copy, download, or print this spreadsheet. But if you don't want them to do any of that and have them strictly just view the spreadsheet, here's how you can limit their access. So we're just going to go to our share button right here. Once you click on that, this is what you're going to see. And to limit the access of the people whom you've shared this link to when you copy this link, we're going to go to our settings here at the top right corner. And here we have more options on the restrictions that we can do for this file. So at the top, we have the access and people who can download, copy, and print. Now, if we remove the editors, that would automatically deselect the commenters and viewers. Now, unchecking or deselecting these options right here will prevent people to download, copy, or print this spreadsheet. Now, if we go back, let's try and copy this link, click on Done, and try and open it on another browser. And here we have it. Right away, you will see we have our security limitations. These are applied based on the permissions set by the file owner, which is us. So we got that. And if we go to our file right here, our make a copy, download, and print options are grayed out because, again, of those restrictions set by the owner. Now you will see our share button right here. But if we click on it, our share limitations are again based on permissions. We need to ask permission to share this file to others. And there you have it. So that's how you can make your file strictly for viewing only here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.